Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send messages on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your Pinterest application. Then search for the person that you want to send messages. Select the person that you want to send messages. Then click on Message button. And you'll be able to send messages. And this is how you can send messages to someone on Pinterest. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.